Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danny Sebastian, and today what I'm going to share with you people is how to check your sugar level or glucose level in your blood, in your body or your relatives' body, your family members or yourself itself. You can check your blood sugar level anytime during the day or night. The actual procedure of checking the sugar, I'll explain to you. This is a device which we use to check the blood sugar level in your body. So the name of the product is Accu-chek, and it will cost you 1,599 rupees. So this product is a very useful product. It has a warranty of 10 years, and when you buy this pack, you'll get 10 strips in order to check your sugar level. So let me open this box and I'll show you how it works. And that's my mom. I'm gonna check the sugar level of her. So this is the case of this product, Accu-chek Active, and these are the strips, 10 strips which we get for free. These strips come along with the pack, and this is the case wherein, and this is the device. It's a bit advanced than the one which I used earlier. I was using one touch earlier, and this item looks like a pen. With this only we actually do an injection type thing, and after just press that button and it works like an injection. This is how you change the needle of the pen, because if you're gonna change if you're gonna check blood sugar of one or more people, it's better to change the needle. If you are using it for checking only one person, then no need to change the needle. More than one people, it's better to change the needle. This is how you change the needle. Simple step only. Trigger that pen and press on that button. That's how it works. So let's get into business. So this is how the blood will come out now. Just press that button and it works like an injection. See how the blood is coming out. Now you need to take the strip. Make sure you put only one strip. Here the arrow just mentioned, you have to place that strip. We have to place it inside that, like that. Now here I have made a mistake. I have put two strips in it. That's why that error message is coming up. Make sure you put only one strip into the machine, into the device. See the two strips. Just press the strip and a small beep sound will come, and that device will start blinking, and you see a red light. That place you have to place your finger. The blood which is coming out from the finger, you need to place it over there, and the reading will come up in the screen. So this is how you check your sugar level. You need to check your sugar level twice in a day. In the morning, first before having breakfast or tea. After that, second time after having breakfast, after 1.5 hours, you need to check one more time. That's how it works. Thanks for watching.